Hi, this is Bajarappa. In this video, I'm going to explain about chart application. So as you can see, we have a left panel and right panel where we display all the messages. Initially, when we load, it doesn't display. So when we choose any particular contact, it will show the messages for that particular user. So you can check like all the users with some dummy data. If I want to send a message, new message, I can send hi. So yeah, you can see it will display the message with timestamp as well. So when it is me, it will not show the username. When it is a other user, it will show the first letter of the user. So this is application, and when we click on this plus icon, you can see list of contacts in the list, and we can choose any contact, and we can send message hello. So when we send, it will again show it in the uh, left panel as well. This is basic sending messages functionality. So you can filter here as well. You can type in Rajshekhar, so it will display the selected user, and you can select and send messages to him. And you can also select one more contacts, and it will show the contact as well. It will show the name of the contact, last message which we have sent, and the time at which we have sent the message. And here it will show the name of the person and images of that particular selected contact as well. And you can also see routing as well when we change the name. So it will change the person ID with that particular person ID as well. And this is the when we and I have also handled on routes. So when we click on this, it will show this route is not found, and it will take me back to the original home page, to the default page, and it is I have set timeout for 3 seconds as well. So this is the main uh, application interface. So when we come to the code, I have divided into components, pages, and redux. I have used redux as well. And and there is one more thing I forgot to tell. So the thing is like the data is all persisted. Like when we open a new chart or when we do this, so the data is all that when I refresh, it doesn't change the some messages as well because I have used Redux first page for that for this. So this is the main functionalities I have added. So when you come to the code, these are components, these are pages, and this is Redux, this is app, and where in the public folder I have declared a dummy data. So here I have logged in user, and I have list of contacts, and I have conversations with messages. This is my dummy data. So I have reducers. So I have used Redux toolkit for this Redux toolkit. So where I am fetching all the data from the dummy user data, and I am displaying it over, and I have declared some reducers and extra reducers to fetch data and handle some errors as well. So in the store, I have used Redux persist for the to store the recent data. And this is my Redux. And when you come to app, I have created a route for app chart page. This is the main page, and I have a error element route, and I have a children page where we have a conversation with ID. So whenever we click on a particular conversation, it will take to that particular route ID. So in that, I have provided a store with persist as well. So this is my component when you chart page. So this is my main chart page where I have fetched all the data from the Redux store. So this is where I have stored the data. And once I have created into different components as well. So this is a create conversation component where we select a new contact and display that message in the chart list. If this is the user header where it will show the logged in user name and profile with a button to uh, select new user. In the search, this is a search functionality, and this is a conversations where you see all the list of conversations happened in the recently. And this is a conversation header where I have displayed the name of the selected conversation and profile. And this is the messages. So these are the messages which for the selected contact it will show. So this is the main components. So when we go into messages component, I have all different handle messages, conversations, and all these send messages. So when we go to send message, you can basically send a message here as well. So this is my, and again, if you come to components, so select search contact. So this is the search component which I have. So I have imported reducers from store and I have declared all these functionalities in this file. I have a left panel where I have contacts, conversations, conversation list, sidebar, side toggle, all of these. And on the right panel, we have messages, a conversation at the chart, and all these things. So this is when we go to conversation. So I have displayed all the conversations in this. So when we go to conversation, it will show the particular conversation. And I have a sidebar header where I show the header. This is toggle sidebar. When I click on plus icon, it will show the list of contacts. So this is user header where I show the thing. So this is right panel where I have messages. So this displays all the messages. And this is send message button I have shown. Search and these are conversation header and all this. This is the main functionalities of this application.